Hello, Mr. Abdul. How are you? How are you, Mr. Abdul? Hello, Mr. Tolu. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Oh, I was told you said you might not be able to make it.
Sir?
Oh, how are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh, okay. So we are starting now. I've tried to reach out to Mr. Afunsho, who seems to have joined via the wrong link.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just. Okay. So I'm trying to start our VMs because I know. Hello, Mr. Afunsho. How are you, sir? I think you're in a wrong link, sir. Yes, because we changed the link. So go to your WhatsApp now. Go to your WhatsApp. Okay, I should forward your mail. Okay, so what's your mail again, sir? Send it to me on WhatsApp. Send it to me on WhatsApp now. Just send it to me on WhatsApp now. Yeah, so that I can quickly forward there, so that you just join. Okay, so Mr. Tolu, how are you today? I think you are the only one in class now. Mr. Tolu, how are you today?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, so can you just share your screen and let us start? So
I'm coming, sir.
just share your screen so that we can start today's
Okay.
work. Mr. Tolu, where are you? This place is so noisy.
They're having a party in my compound, though.
Oh, no wonder. Yes, why not go and join them? I mean, enjoy now.
No, get. I beg. They will soon round up, sir.
Oh, no problem. It's okay. It's not disturbing us. Okay, so I hope you are where you were yesterday, so that we can continue from there.
Yes, I'm trying
because
to.
we don't have enough time and we can't.
Yes. I'm just trying to call my SSMS.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you just save your work yesterday.
I did not save it. So I'm trying to.
Okay. Any problem, sir? Yeah, I sent it to you. I sent the IP address to you already. Check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp now. We communicate via WhatsApp. Click on recover selected files.
Okay.
You don't have anything in the field. Just stay on the line so that I can communicate with you, Mr. Funshaw. Just you don't need to hang up so that I can communicate with you. So can you close one of your? So you are opening too many. Please close one of your Power BI so that your system can run better. So Mr. Funshaw, please, once you log in, could you please let me know? So yeah, connect to your SQL server so it automatically see it. Of course, so you can rerun this code again. How come? Why is it happening 2 times? Click connect now. Do you have it open 2 times?
I'm trying to check if it's open twice.
Press OK or remove file, whatever. So click on connect. go to database, I need to be sure that you still have your databases. So you have those things, that's good. Okay, so just go to your Power BI. I will show you what you need to. So please, you now the big lesson for you now, Mr. Tolu. Learn to save your work. You don't need to be told as an IT person. Okay, so you remember all those things you need to pick, Abi? So you are picking fat reseller sales.
Yes.
Okay. Just to transform data. Okay, so we have been able to finish this task of getting data from SQL Server. Okay, so we are starting the next task, which is reviewing your SQL Server query. Mr. Fisher, please, can you indicate where you are? Are you with us now? So let me know when you are inside your VM and then start your machine and connect. Okay, so you are in your Power BI now. Okay, so in this task today, you'll be able to preview your data of the SQL Server queries. So first, you will learn relevant information about your data. Then you also use column quality, column distributions, and column profile to understand the data and to assess data quality. Okay, so today we are going to be understanding your data quality. Okay, so now you are in a two-core Power Query. Can you? Please, I need feedback, Mr. Tolu.
What do you say, sir?
You are in a two-core Power Query.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we are going to be learning today is how to preview, relevant information about your data.
Okay.
Then you are going to be using column quality, column distributions, and column profile. 3 tools here to understand your data and then to access your data. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, from your Power Query, you can see that you have queries. Can you see one corner where they wrote queries, 5 in front?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you see the amount of data? How many data are under your queries? So not that one. Take it to the other edge, not that one. The edge where you have close and apply.
Okay.
Can see, no, close and apply now.
I'm coming, sir. Okay.
So put your arrow down. Put your arrow down. I'm not saying you should, don't, please, can you don't click anything? Just.
No, I'm not clicking.
you are clicking. I can see Excel, SQL Server, analysis.
Okay.
So can you see, please, can you just remove your arrow? Put it where you see query 5 in box. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
I just want you to see that you have 5 queries that you're about to run. Do you understand?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
All right. Yeah. So now under that query, select the first query, which is your dim employee. Okay, good. So you can scroll down, use that slider to scroll down, scroll up, the slider where you have number 24. The hair. So use your slider to scroll. No. You are scrolling up and down. Just scroll to the side, left and right. Do you understand? So here helps you to preview your. This helps you to preview your data.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay.
I can hear you now. Okay, so you've been able to preview your data right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's how you preview your data in Power Query. So this tool helps you to transform your data. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So don't forget that you are still in your first query called dim employee. So the dim employee table in the SQL Server database stores one row for each employee, right? Check. You can see their names. They must have an ID. You can check. So
Yes,
a
sir.
subset of the row from this table represent the salespeople, which will be relevant to the model you will develop. So you are going to be developing some model at the end of this class. So at the bottom left in the status bar, you will notice that the table has 33 columns and 296 rows. Can you confirm that? 33
Yes,
columns, 296 rows. Is this
36 columns, 296 rows.
36, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see 33 columns, 296 rows, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So in the data preview pane, scroll horizontally to review on column. Okay, so like you have been able to scroll.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you notice in the last 5 columns?
I noticed there is a key on every employee
Scroll
key.
down. The last 5 columns. What are columns? What are columns? Do you know the difference between columns and row?
Columns are vertical, rows are horizontal.
Sure now. So that means employee key is a column.
Column,
Parent
yes.
employee key is a plural. So those are columns. So if I say last 5 columns, that means you have to scroll down to the edge. I'm expecting you to scroll down to the edge. That's why you see the last 5 columns now.
Okay.
Carry this slider. Go and carry that slider and scroll down to the edge. Work smart.
That's what I'm.
Pin it down here.
So it's fine, bro. I should still
To
scroll.
the left, you are going to the last column.
Last. Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes,
so
sir.
what do you notice in these columns, the last 5 columns?
It's showing value and table.
We'll leave it. So exactly, this is what I want you to see. So it's showing you value and table, right?
Yes, sir.
So that data contains value and do you know there are links? So which means if you click on it where you see table or where you see value, it will take you to somewhere like a link. Okay. So these 5 columns represent relationship to other table in the database. Can you see now? Remember that you are importing this database from where?
From
Did you click on any link?
Yes.
Do you
Just
know
to
how
check.
to go back?
No.
Wow. Okay, now take your cursor. You can't go back like that. Take your cursor to where you have apply steps. Can you see apply steps? By the left.
Apply steps.
By the edge, other side. Mr. Funshaw, how far?
Okay.
So can you see that navigation? Cancel that navigation.
Okay.
Okay. I'm wondering what happened now.
Maybe someone else. Maybe someone else want to connect, ba?
Okay, Mr. Funshaw, did you connect? Oh. Yes, I want you to sign in into your VMs now. Bring up your Power BI, bring up your SQL Server, connect them. Hope you're able to save your work yesterday. Mr. Tulu, please connect back so that we'll continue with this. Just minimize. Okay, so can you click on Adventure Works 2019? I don't know. Yes, click on it. Maybe we'll have our table back. Click on that table. Is this our table?
No.
This is not our table. This is not our table. What did you do? Go back to dim employee. So let me reiterate this again, Mr. Tulu.
Yes, sir.
Let's follow steps and instructions. Do you understand? So we don't want to be losing data anyhow. So like, we tamper with this data now. What is
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
You do? Because I didn't see your screen when you did.
Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me? I'm here.
Yes, I can hear you now.
So I'm asking, what exactly did you do?
I just click on that table. That is the only thing I did. I just click on the
Okay, do you
table.
know what to do? Do you know what to do? Go to
Hello. It's okay.
go to close and apply. Go to close. Click on close. Go to your field. Go to your field. See, you don't have it. So go back to your SQL Server, then upload that in again.
Okay.
So you can see this what it could cost us now. So please, I want you to just follow instructions, please, so that we won't be going back all over and over again. So pick those dims again.
That came back.
Okay, do you see now? What happened? You have selected some.
No, it came back. It not.
No. You selected some two times. Right click on the those one that are two. See, you've selected some things two times. Don't need them. Right click. Can you right click?
Yes.
So delete those one that have two. We don't need.
Shine me down.
Scroll down. Are you sure it does not? Okay. Transform. Let's see. So don't worry, just leave it like this. Leave it like this.
So I have it back.
So you already have all the DIMs you needed. So you are
Yes.
on DIM employee. You are on DIM employee.
Yes. Okay, sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It's okay. So that it's okay. So I wanted you to go and view the one that contains tables and value, tables of value link, right?
Yes.
Go back there again. Just view. Make sure that you see them.
Okay.
So like I said the tables and value that you saw the other time that you were clicking, they represent relationship to other tables in the database. Remember the database GW 2019 that you're having. So they can be used to join tables together. Do you understand? So you will now be able to join tables in the low data in Power BI lab. So don't worry, when you get to the place where you need to join data, you will be able to join data from there, okay?
Yes.
So now, like I said, one of the things you're going to be learning tonight is how to see how relevant an information is. You're going to be learning relevant information about your data. Okay, so Mr. Tolu, do you know anything about this data you uploaded?
I based on what I
yes or no. It's a simple yes or no.
Yeah.
You know something about it.
Yes.
You worked with this data before.
No, as in with what I said, that's why I said yes.
So
but
what
before,
do you know about the data?
As in based on what I said, I noticed is an employee database where their names, the ID number, their addresses contain.
So what I'm saying is, so what information do you know about this data?
Nothing, sir.
Now you don't know the data. I just gave you the data, right? So you don't know which company owns data. So you don't know anything about the data. Are you getting the idea? So, but you know, basically viewing this data, you know it's an employee data, right? That's the only thing you know. Simple. So now there's what we call column quality, column distributions, and column profile. Column quality, column distributions, and column profile. This will give you ability to learn something relevant about this data that you just opened. That DIM employee, that first one, you know, you have five that you have deployed. That first one. So when you use column quality, column distributions, and column profile, it can give you some certain brief idea about the data. Do you get the idea now? That's what I was asking. Do you know anything about data? No, you don't know. The first thing you know about the data now that I told you was the number of columns, Abi, 36 columns and 296 rows. Now you have that information about the column, right? Now, the second information you know about the data is that the last 5 rows of the data contains tables and value, right?
Yes, sir.
So the tables and value contains links that takes you to other part of the databases that you uploaded, right?
Yes, sir.
How many things do you know about data now? 3 things.
3 things.
Number 1. Number 1.
Hello.
Number 1.
Can you hear me, sir?
Can hear you, sir.
Okay. You said what, sir?
I said I gave you 3 things you know about data now. So tell me those 3 things.
Number 1, the number of columns and row.
Okay. Number 2.
Number 2, the last 5 columns for that it contains data, the data value and table. The last 5 columns.
Yes. Number 3.
Number 3, that it is an employee data.
Okay. Then I also told you that value table and value contains link that takes you to the other part of the databases.
Database, yes, sir.
Yes. So you've learned those 3 things about this new data. Do you understand now?
Yes,
So
sir.
now I said there are 3 things again that will give you like a quick overview of this data. I'll be mentioning them. What are those 3 things?
I've forgotten, sir. Let me.
You are not taking notes,
Yes.
Mr. Tuli.
I don't have light here, so I'm just.
I get. There are 3 things I called to you. I said
Yes, sir.
they help you to quickly preview your data to give you some relevant information about it. Because number 1, you don't know anything about the data. But if you use these 3 tools, it helps you as quick as possible. Number 1, column quality. The quality of your column.
Column what, sir?
Quality.
Hello.
Column quality.
Hello, sir.
Column quality. Column quality. Column quality.
Number 2, sir.
Column distribution. How the column is being distributed.
Ife?
How the column is being distributed. Keep it.
Column quality. Number 2, sir.
Hello? Column quality, column distribution.
Hello?
Column quality, column distribution.
Sir? It's okay.
Hello, Mr. Tolu, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. The network is fluctuating.
I guess.
You said column quality.
Yes. Column distribution.
Column distribution.
And column profile.
Okay.
How many 3 things now?
Yes, I got it now.
Column distribution, column quality, and column profile. Do you hear me now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Column quality, column
Yes,
distribution.
sir. Column distribution and column profile.
Exactly. Can you bring them up? Can you minimize this, please? Minimize your teams. So, Mr. Fusho, how are you? You don't want to share your screen? Yes, I need you to be following. So just share. Let me know you are where we are. Okay, so you are inside your VM already. So that means you did not save your work here. So can you of your Power BI? You can't be running two Power BIs. Hello, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Hello.
I can hear you, sir.
I'm so sorry. A call came in and I have to just so.
Hello, Mr. Funsho. Can you hear me? Mr. Funsho. Mr. Funsho, can you hear me?
Hello, Mr. Funsho. You might need to help us work on this your audio so that it was network so that somebody else can communicate with you. Shetigbosa. Because while I went off now, they've been trying to reach you. So you understand?
Okay, but there's no, it's only through this WhatsApp now.
That's what I'm saying. Mr. Tolu. Hello, Mr. Tolu.
Yes, sir. I can
So
hear you.
next time you could have just called Mr. Funshaw on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Next time,
Yes,
because his laptop is having audio issue. So when I talk
okay.
to him, I call him on WhatsApp so that he can
Okay.
be in the meeting. So he can hear you guys, but we can't hear him. Do you understand?
Okay.
So Mr.
Okay, sir.
Funshaw, please, you need to pick those things we picked for you yesterday and then save your work. Mr. Tolu, have you saved your Power BI?
So I'm on the hello, Mr.
Yes, just type DIM and then select those ones that you selected for you yesterday.
We selected team employee.
You are not typing DIM. Type brings all the DIMs for you.
I'm already there. That's like, I brought all the team already.
Okay, so do you remember all the DIMs that we did? Mr. Tolu, can you remind me all those DIMs, please?
DIM employee.
DIM employee.
DIM product.
DIM products.
DIM sales territory.
DIM sales territory.
DIM reseller.
DIM reseller. DIM sales territory.
Then you now
Check
go
your
to
DIM sales territory.
Which one again?
Then you now go to facts. Facts what again? Facts.
Facts reseller sales.
Facts reseller.
We picked for yesterday. I've only picked three. I picked team employee.
DIM products. DIM products. DIM products. So sorry, Mr. Funshaw, you might really need to help us work on your audio so that even while there's a problem from this side, somebody else can pick it up, okay? So that there won't be any lapse. So please, sir, help us work on that. Okay. So click on fast reseller sales, right? Mr. Funshaw, Mr. Tolu, is it fast reseller sales?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go to transform data. Go to transform data.
Out of fact, how many have only been five
Go
percent
to
have said
transform
should I
data,
buy?
sir. Just go to transform data.
Okay, I'm in transform data.
So, Mr. Godwin, how are you? Can I hear your voice, Mr. Godwin?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So, are you able to connect to your VMs or you are connecting via mobile?
I'm trying to connect with my laptop here, but it's not connecting. It's saying remote desktop. Unless I want. Okay, can I show you my screen on the Google Meet?
Okay, just a minute.
Okay.
So, Mr. Fusho, please click on transform data so that you will be on the same page.
So, okay, before I click on this, I only pick one out of five. Part is elastic. That's the only one I pick.
You only have one fact.
Okay, so I should go to transform data.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll click on transform data now.
Okay, so click on the first one, the dim employee. So at this point, you might have to now start following us, okay? Because
I should click on the employee.
yes, you are in dim
Sir, please, the
employee,
thing is,
so you can.
put on my gen.
Sorry,
I want to put on my gen. The battery is low.
please do that. Please do that.
I'll click on the employee.
Sorry, I can't see your virtual machine. Don't stop sharing now.
Can you see it now?
Yes, I can see it. You are in dim employee, okay? So now scroll down to the last. So you can see that you have 36 columns and 296 rows. Can you see it? 36 columns. So now drag it to the other end. You need to see all the columns. Yes, drag it to the other end. So what do you notice at the other end? So just don't click them. Oh, don't click them. Just see them. All right. Fantastic Debbie, how are you? Fantastic Debbie, are you there? Fantastic Debbie, are you there? Okay, so Deborah is not there. All right, just a minute. Mr. Godwin, you are welcome. Mr. Godwin would like to share his screen via Google Meet. Mr. Godwin, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so where is the link? Which link are you using for your Google Meet?
The one of the links you sent
No.
to me.
Mr. Godwin, which link are you using for your Google Meet? There is no time. Just send it to me via WhatsApp and let's connect.
Okay.
There's no time. So if you have created a Google Meet, send it to me. Let's connect and let's see what the issue is.
No, it was the one you sent to.
Baba, can you copy and resend to me so that we can connect?
Okay.
Just copy and paste to me so that I will now join you while the class is ongoing. Okay. So now, Mr. Funshaw, this is where we are. I was explaining about the value at the table. So what the value at the table does, all those values on the table you are seeing, they are links to another database. Okay. Do you get? So now this data, you don't know anything about it. You just know that it is gym employee. You don't know the information they've gathered, and you really want to know what the information has in them, right? Okay, good. Mr. Tolu, are you there? Mr. Tolu, are you there? Okay, Mr. Tolu want to go on the gen. So, Mr. Godwin, please let me know once you send the link. Okay, so now, Mr. Fusho, now, like I said, this is what your link, they take you directly to other database, but that's not what you want to do today. So today you are going to be learning about, how to preview your SQL queries. So you are previewing them right now. So the first one you are previewing is your DIM, right? The DIM employee, right? So now inside your DIM employee, you've been able to discover that your DIM employee have 33 columns and 36 columns and 296 rows. Can you confirm that? Now, can you also confirm that the last 5 columns of your table contains the word tables and value as a link, right? Okay, so now there's something I was telling Mr. Tolu the other time that you need to, that helps you to preview a data that you don't know anything about. For example, this data, you don't know anything about it. You don't know the company that generated it. You don't know what they were asking for. You don't know why they have collected the information. But there are some tools that will help you understand this data in a brief. Okay, so if you have a note, you can just write this down. So they help you to learn relevant information about the data. So these tools are called column quality, column distributions, and column profile. Can you repeat that, sir?
We have these 3 tools that can help us to get
relevant information about the data. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and column profile. Good. So that means we are on the same stage now. All right. So now I will now want to talk about the column quality, column profile, and column distribution I told you about. So the 5 column represents relationship to other tables in the database. That value and link that you are seeing, okay, they represent relationship to other tables in the database. So they can be used to join your tables together. Do you understand now, sir? So that's why you don't tamper with it. All right. So to assess your column quality, what you need to do now is go to your view in your ribbon tab. Mr. Tolu, are you back? You can drag back your this thing, drag it back. Wait. Drag back your slider to maybe to number 1. Okay. Okay, good. At least you have some data here. It's okay. Just drag it to where we have data. All right, so go to your view. That's not your view. Yeah, click on view. So, Mr. Tolu, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
That's not your view, sir. You are in Power Query. There's a view in Power Query, Mr. Fusho. You have home, transform, add column, view, tools, and help. So, Mr. Tolu, are you seeing what Mr. Fusho is doing?
Yes, sir.
What did he do?
You click on view.
From where?
From his Power Query.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to also click on view from your Power Query.
Okay, sir.
So I've sent you the link on WhatsApp.
Please join, sir. Please join. Mr. Godwin, please join.
I've sent you the link.
Seen the link. Yes,
okay.
Join. I've seen the link.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you. So you can just share your screen, Mr. Godwin.
Okay.
Okay, so now, Mr. Tolu, have you clicked your view now from your
Yes, sir.
Power Query? Please let's use one stone to kill two birds. Biko, just follow as Mr. Afunsho is doing it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Please just follow. Ejo, just follow, I beg you. Mr. Godwin, please share your screen. Okay. Okay, so now you are in your view, I guess. As now. Hello.
Yes, I'm there.
Mr. Afunsho, please, are you there? Are you with us? Please, okay, so from your view, so now we want to assess your column quality. Remember, I told you 3 things that can help you preview your data, give you some relevant information. The first one is column quality. The second one is column distribution. The third one is column profile. Okay, so now once you click your view now, like you have clicked, inside your view, from inside, you will see layout, data preview, columns, right?
Can you see my screen? Look at my screen.
Mr. Godwin, just hold on. I would attend to you.
But have you seen the screen?
Yes, I have. Just hold on. Just leave it like that. I will attend to you. I have not on your VM now, Mr. Godwin.
You are the one
That's
that
why you
said
are
you connect.
experiencing it.
Okay.
I didn't on your VM now. Because sometimes I'm not sure what information you are passing across.
Okay.
So what's the name of your VM? Mr. Godwin, what's the name of your VM?
Is it my Nigeria at 1960? That's why.
That's not the name of your VM. Oh. Your VM is Godwin VM.
Okay, Godwin.
You have not been following. You have not been following us. Godwin VM.
Godwin VM.
Yes, you have not been following us.
My username.
You have not been following us. Because I gave you the name of your computer. I gave you your username and your password.
Yes.
So now I'm sending your IP to you. So that's the IP you use. But you will reconnect that in 3 minutes time, okay? Because I just started your VM. Do you understand me? In how many minutes time?
3 minutes.
Please do that in 3 minutes. All right. So now, who is presenting? Sorry, who is sharing his screen here?
It's Funsho.
Mr. Funsho, please, are you with us? Hello, Mr. Funsho. Please, can you check your data preview? Can you see data preview? Other data preview, you see monospace, you see white spacing, you see column quality, you see column distribution, you see column profile. So check those 3: column quality, column distribution, column profile. Can you check them? So Mr. Tolu, you too, you can check them. So Mr. Afunsho, maximize your screen so that you can enjoy this training. Maximize the screen for your Power Query. You can maximize it. That's it. Mr. Afunsho, carry your cursor to where you see query properties. Click on that X. No, not that place. No. Query setting at the other edge. No, the other side. Yes, so click on that X. Yes, Mr. Tolu, you to click on that X. So you have enough space. You can see that you have enough space. Mr. Tolu, are you where we are now?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing the same thing that this man is seeing?
No, sir.
Why no?
I'm not seeing those graphs on my own.
Why? I asked you to check boxes. Were you not hearing what I was
Yes,
saying?
I checked. I did not see it did not come up. Maybe it's still coming up.
Tolu.
It did not come up. I mean, those graphs. The other thing came out. The valid error empty. It came out, but it's just that graph that did not come up.
Which graph? Go back to the view. How many boxes you have checked there? Tell me what you are seeing on that view.
View. I'm having layout, data preview, parameters.
Okay, under data preview. Under data preview.
Yes,
Tell
I checked.
me what you have under data view. You should have monospaced.
Monospaced, show white space, column quality, column distribution, column profile. I checked column. I check column quality, column distribution, column profile, and show white space is checked already before.
Okay, so and you are not seeing your data like this?
Yes.
Can you share your screen? So, sir, drag your cursor to where you have data. Here, there are links now, bro. Mr. Tolu, that's not the God.
I thought you said
Mr. Tolu, when I say slider, do you know what is called slider?
Okay, I'm thinking of.
Exactly.
Okay,
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's why I was saying try and follow. I was telling Mr. Funshaw to drag his data back to the beginning of that time. Yeah. So can you uncheck the 3 and then check them again? Uncheck the 3. Okay, so check them again. So can you see?
Yes.
So now you have click on the one that says first name. You will see it will come up. Can you see that column that says for the first name column? But to look for column now. What column is now? You don't need to drag that thing. It's there. I can see first name column.
Okay, this one.
Yes. Baba, click on it. Just click on it. That's what you are looking for. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Do you see now? Can you see? It's telling you that the number of times that David appears, the number of times Michael appeared, the number of times John appeared, the number of times Frank appeared. So what is this telling you? You are already seeing the distributions of how this data is. So you've started your data analytics already now by pressing just one button and all of that. It's telling you everything. So look at the statistics. It's telling you count 296. Can you see your statistics, your column for statistics, where you have counts?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So is there error in this column? That column that is named first name. Is there error there?
No.
Are there any empty spaces, empty rows?
No.
Can you see now? But it's telling you that there are distinct 224 names. Out of the 224 names, we have 186 unique names. Why? Some names are repeated.
Okay.
Like David. No be only person go dey bear David now. Now first name, do you understand? So David appear. If you carry your arrow on top of that David name now, that bar, you should see the value there. Can you see? How many Davids do you have?
10.
10. That gives you how many percent of the data?
30%.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you get the idea now?
Yes, sir.
You're starting your analytics now. Do you get? So how many times do Michael appears? Put your arrow on Michael.
10 times.
10 times. You know? So do you get the idea like that now? So you already have. So now, in a situation where you have maybe error or some. So now look at your. Okay, so now go back to those columns that you check. Check them one by one so that you now know their function. Uncheck them first. Uncheck them. So start with column quality. So what does this one do? So you yourself read it, analyze it. So it's telling you that each column valid. How many things that is valid there? 100%. Is there error? No error.
No error.
So try and look for, drag your slider again. I don't know if you are using a mouse. Drag your slider and look for a column that has error. Make sure you look for a column that has error or that is empty. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Go back. So, but you can see that there are some columns that are empty, right?
Yes, sir.
You get now. They tell you about 2% of it are empty, or certain number of percentage are empty. So now you're already starting analyzing your data now. So you're already having an idea of how this data is looking like, but you don't know everything yet, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it is not your data, of course. So, but by the time you are done with analyzing it, you will understand the data. Okay. So now uncheck your column quality. Mr. Funsho, I hope you are following that steps too. So check your column distribution. So now you know what that means. The value, how are they distributed? So remember you are in first name column. Look at first name column. It's telling you there are 224 distinct names.
Yes, sir.
Why 86 of them are unique.
Oh.
You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. Do you get the idea?
Yes,
So
sir.
look at number 18. Look at number 18. You have Joe. What name is that?
Joe Brown.
Joe. Somebody is bearing Joe. But look at number 13. What name is that?
Joseph
Joseph.
Goldberg.
Just we are stick with first name. Somebody is bearing Joe in number 18.
Yes, sir.
Number 13. Somebody is bearing Joseph.
Joseph.
Don't you have Joe inside Joseph?
Yes.
Are you getting the idea now? Don't you have Joe, J-O, inside Joseph?
Yes, sir.
So that's, I'm trying to explain the difference between your distinct value and your unique value. Because you want to ask, what's this? Which one is distinct? How can distinct mean they should be on their own now? So distinct means that your Joseph occur at a certain number of time. Your Joe can also occur at a certain number of time, but your Joe can be found inside your Joseph. So it cancels out your Joe as a unique name or unique character. Iwi. Even come. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Funsho, do you have any question at this point?
I'm not to show something.
So look at number 9. You can see Jolene, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will cancel out those ones as distinct. Do you get? Because they are not unique.
Okay.
Mr. Fusho, any question?
Sir, can you look at my screen? Oh, I should hold on.
Just hold on, Mr. Godwin.
Okay.
Mr. Fusho, I'm listening. So, Mr. Godwin, you can log in now.
Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
That's where I am.
So look for your, oh God, Mr. Godwin, you need to be patient too, because you have to start looking for your, this thing we're not supposed to do it yesterday, you didn't do it. Just be patient, please. You just have to be very patient, okay? So Mr.
No,
Fusho, you were saying something, because I'm having an headphone, so I couldn't hear you clearly. Have you clicked on it? So I'm saying that you should be doing it. You should be doing it as we are doing. You need to be doing your own, so that you don't miss. You should be doing it now, so that it won't be dragging us back. So that's why I'm saying that as you are looking at his own, as he's clicking, you also click to see and preview. Okay, so that's what you do. So Mr. Tolu, so can you uncheck your column distribution and then click on column profile? So you know what that means now?
Yes, sir.
So now this one is like the same distribution too. Okay, but so that you'll be able to see it very well. Okay, you can drag it up if you know how to use your cursor very well, but I don't know how maybe you are using, you can drag it up. So can you see now? So this helps you. All right. Who's Johnny? Sorry, you're tired. All right. Fantastic Debbie, are you available now?
I'm here.
Are you connected now?
I'm connected, but not on this page where you are now.
I don't understand.
Guys, I'm not doing exactly what you're doing.
So we need to share your screen and let's see what you are doing. Okay, so Mr. Tolu, can you? Okay, so let's continue with our troubleshooting. So Mr. Godwin, this one that you are doing, only God know you don't do inside Azure Data Studio. It's like it's the admin that will take you like this tonight. So just be patient with us, okay? So because we need to cover some parts of the syllabus tonight. Okay.
No,
all right. So now the column quality features allow you to easily determine the percentage of the valid ones, the percentage of those that have errors, and the percentage of those ones that are empty. Okay, like you have seen. I mean, now you know those ones that have errors, you know those ones that are valid. So now I want you to go to the 6th column, which is the 6th last column. Notice that 94% of the rows are empty. 6th column. The 6th column. The title of this is called position. Position. Look for position. Can you see it?
The title, this is what I'm saying.
No. No, can you click on column quality? remove your column profile. Remove your column profile. So we are looking for position, the one that has 94% empty. Sixth last column. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Employee photo. Employee. Oh yeah, move to this side a bit. Wait, status, current. Move again. Look at the end date. This one had 98%.
Yes.
Move again. Move again. Environmental name. Check ones that has columns. Just check. I don't know why. Maybe they've changed the data. Just keep checking. Checking one after the other. Keep checking one after the other. Okay, so already. Okay, so go to column distribution. On check quality, go to column distribution. So from your column distribution, can you see the position column again? Okay, so review the employee key, first column. Drag it back to the first column. Employee key. So what do you see?
48 distinct, 4 unique.
That's not employee key.
Sorry, 296 distinct, 296.
Click on it. Click on it. Click on employee key. No. Yes. So put your arrow on that color. Not DSR. Don't be taking just arrow on the line, white on the green lines.
Okay.
Click on it. Oh yeah, go be information.
Okay.
So can you see now? So on the employee key, what do you have? You have 296 distinct characters. Then 296 unique character. So you cannot see 15 inside another 15. Do you understand now? But if you have a value that says 1515, it will be unique again. But it will be distinct. Do you get the idea?
Yes.
Do you get the idea?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, please. Okay, so I hope you are able to see that now, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mr. Tulu?
Yes, sir.
Then Mr. Funshaw. Okay, so now when the distinct and unique counts are the same, so it means that the column contains unique value. I hope you are getting that, like the key one that I showed you. So remember that they are the same. So you have 296 distinct and 296 unique. So when the distinct and the unique counts, when their count are the same, it means the column contains unique value. So when modeling now, so when you want to do our modeling now, so it's important that some model tables have unique columns. Okay, so these unique columns may be used to create what we call one-to-many relationship, which we will do, very soon, when we are able to do it now. Okay, do you understand the idea?
Yes, sir.
So now, what is the essence of having the same number of distinct and the same number of unique column? Mr. Tolu, I am asking you that question.
Sir?
What is the essence of having the same number of distinct column and unique column? Hello, Mr. Funsho.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tolu, you might have to find a way to work with this your network. It's kind of, at a disadvantage for you now.
I'm still working towards
Please, you
it.
need to find a way around this your network. I hope you are not using Glow network.
No, it's even MTN, but it's 3G, so that's right.
Why is your MTN using 3G?
No,
Maybe
no,
your
it's
phone.
the
Are you connected
phone.
via your phone?
Yes, yes.
It's the phone now.
Yes, the phone.
It's the phone. You really need. So, Mr. Funsho, can you hear me, sir? Okay, so I was saying that I don't know if you're able to check your first employee key, the first column. Were you able to check it? Mr. Funsho, where you are is a bit noisy. Is there? Are you?
Listen. Yeah.
Mr. Funsho, are you at work? I can hear you, but there's a whole lot of background noise over there.
Listen.
I can hear you, Mr. Tulu. Go ahead.
You were saying something about the distinct key and the unique key. So,
Yes. Before I lost you.
What I don't understand is the distinct and unique. Are they the same? And if
they are not the same.
Okay, they are not the same. Okay.
That's why I gave you an example of Joe and Joseph.
Yes, yes. So we also have that same here in the key also.
Do you understand? Well, you have that. You can see that you have 296 distinct and 296 unique characters, right?
Yes, sir.
It shows there is no repetition.
No repetition. Okay.
What it means now,
okay.
Unique character. 1 is there for 2, 2 is there for 3, 3 is there for 4, up to 296. There is no repetition.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 to 10.
Sir?
Are you counting 1 to 10?
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many unique number do you have?
10 unique number.
Good. Now count 1 to 10 again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Stop.
8.
Stop. So now you've counted up to 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Now say 9 2 times.
Okay. 9, 9, 10.
So how many
12.
numbers you have? I said say number. I'm saying 9 2 times.
I say 9, 9. So I should say number 2
So
times.
how many numbers do you have now? How many numbers do you have now?
I have 10.
Why do you say you have 10?
Because I counted 9 2 times.
Because you have 8 before.
Yes.
And then you now counted 9 2 times.
2 times. Yes, sir.
So how many unique number do you have?
9.
They are not the same. Exactly. Can you see there is no more 10?
Yes.
But they are distinct because they are not in the same role. You have 1, 2. There's 9. There's another 9. Abi? Making
Yes,
all
sir.
of them 10.
Yes,
But
sir.
if you are looking for a unique number that is not repeated, that was not repeated, you only have 9 numbers that was not repeated.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So your distance means that there are your data have occurred 10 times. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Your data occurred 10 times. The first time you occurred, you have 1. The next time you occurred, you have 2. The next time you occurred, you have 3, up to 8. So the event that occurred gave you 9. The same event that occurred that gave you 9 occurred again, still gave you 9. But there was 10 times, there was 10 occurrences. Are you getting the idea now?
Yes,
So
sir.
your distinct means your role, number of rows. You know, that's why you have 297 rows. 297 distinct rows. I can't overflog this because of our time. Then 296 unique rows because there were repetitions or there are no repetitions. That's what it means. So when the distinct and unique counts are the same, so it means that the column contains unique values. So no repetition. So when you're not doing your modeling, because you do model for your data analytics and all of that, it is important that some of these model tables must have unique columns. So now these unique columns now offers you one thing. You have the ability to create what we call one-to-many relationship. There is one-to-one relationship, there is one-to-many relationship, and there is many-to-many relationship. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, can we go to the second query? What is sharing? What's going on? Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir. Yeah, somebody needs to share the screen now. I can't. Somebody needs to share. Nobody needs to follow. Why others are copying what is going on? Somebody needs to share. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in the class. Only 2 people can share. You and Mr. Atulu. Mr. Godwin has issues, so he's using Google Meet. You understand? Okay, Mr. Atolu, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Godwin, Mr. Godwin, Mr. Godwin, oh, Mr.
Oh, I
Godwin
can
has
hear you. I
gone.
can hear you. I can hear you.
I'm sharing my screen so that you can see what others are doing. Okay, so you should be able to see my screen. Can you see my screen, Mr. Godwin?
No, I've not seen it.
No, you go into the Google Meet now. That's where you see it. So minimize
Okay.
your this thing, Mr. Funshaw. Please, can you share your screen? You are not sharing. We don't want Teams now. Bring up your VM. Let's do the work. Okay. So now, Mr. Tolu, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have 20 minutes more for this class because we started late. We started around 7:30, so that means we have to finish by 9:30 so that we will not shortchange you. So now we have been analyzing the first data, which is the first query, which is dim employee. Remember, Mr. Funshaw,
Yes,
please,
sir.
are you with me? So now, can you go to, now we move to the next query. Mr. Godwin, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, just following because that's what they are doing.
Okay, I'm still seeing I'm seeing the same thing on my phone too.
Okay, you are following on your phone. That's good.
Yes, I'm seeing.
Because I would want you to. Okay, so now, whoever that is sharing the screen should go to dim employee sales territory.
Team sales territory.
Dream employee sales territory, not sales territory. Dim employee, or you don't have that.
No, we don't have
Okay,
that.
so if you don't have that, just go to dim product. Okay, so go to dim product. So in your dim product, the dim product table contains one role per product sold by the company. Are you getting the idea now? So can you uncheck your column quality or check your column profile, uncheck those things? I said dim product. Uncheck your column product. So uncheck those things, yes. No, leave them. Uncheck. Please, can you check column profile? Okay, so leave the column quality. Mr. Tolu, I hope you are in dim product.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now, me looking at this data, okay, see, the first one is product key, the next one is product alternate key, subcategory key, waste unit measure code, and all of that. So look, see, if you see the size unit measure code, you already see that there are 57% of this data is empty. Okay, so
Yes.
can you just go and review? Please take your slider and go review the data. Mr. Funshaw, please take your slider, review the data. Start from the beginning to the end. Review it. Mr. Funshaw. Mr. Funshaw, are you with us? So take the slider and review all those informations. You are already seeing your column quality now. Check the quality of this data, your dim product. No, don't scroll down. Don't scroll down. Scroll to the side. That's the instruction I gave. Scroll to the side. Review each column. Check their validity. Those that are 100%, those that have errors, those that are empty. Just take your time. Don't drag too much. Take it one after the other and review. Mr. Tolu, are you doing the same?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you have at the last column? What do you have at the last column?
Fat reseller sales.
What do you have at the last column?
Fat reseller sales.
Fat reseller sales for dim products.
Yes, sir.
You sure? Can you scroll back again? Dim products subcategory. Okay, so I'm looking for dim products subcategory column. Look for dim products subcategory column. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's go to the last.
Yes, exactly. So your deemed product subcategory column, we are going to use it later in the training. Okay. So we are going to use it to join. Is a column that will help us to join tables together. Okay. Do you understand? So now, can we go to deemed reseller? So please, I would like to announce to us, as from next week, when we are starting our training, I'm going to be having 15-minute short breaks, okay? Because sometimes, yes, this stress can be like 15-minute short break. So once we start by 7, when it's 8 o'clock, or 5 minutes to 8, we all go on a short break. When it is 8:10, we come back and then roll it to 9. You understand? So, because practically now, like you can see now, only 2 people are following. The other 3 are unable to follow, and that I don't understand, and I don't know why this is happening. Okay, so so are we in deemed reseller? So Mr. Funshaw, please, I would indulge you. Please help us work on your what's it called? Your laptop audio, so that we can all be syncing together. It's kind of stressful trying to listen to you because I'm using an headphone. I might not be able to hear you clearly while I'm also trying to reach people on the call. Okay, so please. All right. So in the query, go to deemed reseller. Are we on deemed reseller now? Okay, good. So can we review? I want us to review, check the validity, the percentage error, those ones that are empty. Please, can we do that quickly in 1 minute?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, please come again. What do you say?
Review.
Sir? Okay, we should preview it again, ba?
Use the column distribution. Just review. You are using different data now. You are seeing using this one. Just review. That's how you get your hands strong. You understand? On check column quality, click on column distribution, check it, review it. Do you understand? That's what I'm asking you to do. So that's how you understand that data. You understand? Okay, as you can see, 76, 16, 0 unique. You understand? So it helps you just review, drag it up and down, drag it to left and right, and just do a review of what you are working on. Okay, so there's a column called business type. Have you seen it? Look for a column called business type.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
It's not there.
It's there. It's there.
Yeah. Just highlight on the column now. You know how to click on the column. Just where is it? Mr. Funshaw, you are the one sharing. Look for a column called business type. That is it. So click on it at the top. Yeah, just click on it at the top. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Okay, so there's something they want us to know about that business type. So now when you select the business type column header, so what do you notice? You will notice that the new pane beneath the data preview pane, then you should now review the column statistics and value distribution in the data preview pane. So this is what you are going to notice. Notice that the data quality issue. Notice the data quality issue. There are 2 labels for warehouse. The warehouse and the warehouse misspelled. Okay, so now click on column quality. You can uncheck your column distribution. Click on column quality. Okay, there's something that profile. Check on the 3. Column quality, column distribution, column profile. Please check on the 3. So there's something to review here. Okay, so business type, count 701, distinct 3, unique, added value. Review the column statistics and value distribution. Column statistics and value distribution. Okay. And notice that the data quality issue. There are 2 labels for warehouse. Okay, over the course of notice that there are 5 the value. Oh, okay. This is already sorted. Okay. You apply okay, so now can we go to dim sales territory?
Okay.
So your dim sales territory table contains 1 row per sales region, including corporate headquarters. Regions are assigned to a country and countries are assigned to group. So in that model, you now create an hierarchy to support analysis and region and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Of course, so as you can see, you can now see different countries, different regions, do you understand? Okay. So can we check on our fat reseller sales? The last one, fat reseller sales query. Fat reseller sales query. So this table contains 1 row per sales order line. A sales order contains 1 or more line items. So under that fat reseller sales, look for total product cost. Look for total product cost. Look for total product cost. Look for product total cost. Have you seen it? Total product cost. Mr. Tolu, have you seen it?
I'm on it. Total, yes, sir.
You have seen total product cost. Mr. Funsho, have you seen your total product cost? Can you click on it? When you see, just click on it so that. So how many parts? Okay, so can you check the validity, the column quality? What do you have? Okay, so it's valid 100%. No, check that. 100%. Error. Okay, okay. That's good. All right. Okay, so here's the data from CSV. So we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things. I said I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll see you next Saturday. Class has messaged me. She seems to be busy with some other things. She might not be able to round up the class today. And we hope she will get in contact with each and every one of us. So thank you so much, Mr. Tolu, for your on this call. Thank you so much, Mr. Godwin, Mr. Funshaw. Yes, you are unable to share your screen, and I hope you'll be able to contact Maright support so that we can then try to, help you for that. Okay, so this goes to Mr. Godwin. Mr. Godwin, please try and reach out to me maybe in the next 30 minutes so that we can just go over one or two things, because I know you have some technical issues. So thank you so much for this training, and I hope you are learning and we are learning very fast. So like I said, please, can we make sure we save our work? Please, let's save our work. Go to Control S and save that work so that when next we come, we just start from here. Mr. Funshaw, please, can you save your work, please? Mr. Funshaw, please, can you save your work? Mr. Godwin?
Yes.
So please, can you reach out to me the next 30 minutes, please, sir? I will have to take some break. I've been busy. I've been out of the house since morning. So I need to get something to eat. Okay.
No,
so
30
please,
minutes
in the next 30 minutes.
You see why Madam
so
need
I
to
should leave
come
my
home
screen.
fast.
Sir?
Mr.